At Eastside Chevrolet Buick GMC Corvette, we know that finding the perfect vehicle is just the beginning. The next step? Figuring out how to make it yours. That's where our finance team steps in to help you drive home with confidence, no matter your credit situation. Whether you're buying new or pre-owned, we've got flexible financing and leasing options designed to fit your budget and lifestyle. Great credit? Awesome. Working on rebuilding your credit? We've got your back. Our finance experts work with a wide range of lenders to get you the best rates and terms available. Already secured a loan with your bank? Let's see if we can beat it. We've saved customers money by finding better rates, and we're ready to do the same for you. Our process is quick, easy, and transparent. No runaround, just straightforward solutions to get you behind the wheel. So, whether you've got your eye on a new Corvette, a GMC truck, or a pre-owned gem, we're here to make financing simple and stress-free. Explore your options with us at Eastside, and let's get you on the road to your dream car.